I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Slack. Give here an access token. So please visit Slack console. Create an app. From scratch. Give here the app name and workspace. Now click on Create App. Click on OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down and under the User Token Scope, add an OAuth Scopes. Scroll up and click on Install to Workspace. Allow. Copy the user OAuth token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Channels list. Now choose your desired fields. Under Actions, you can add attachments by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Slack site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Slack. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching.